Are you considering buying your first home in Texas but working with a tight budget? If so, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore some of the most affordable cities in the Lone Star State, handpicked for first-time home buyers just like you. We'll journey through the heart of Texas, from Killeen, located just south of the world's largest military base, to Longview, a charming town off US Highway 80. We'll venture west to the vibrant city of El Paso, before heading to the scenic city of Waco, nestled midway between Dallas and Austin. We'll also visit Laredo, a city that offers a taste of Mexican culture, and end our journey in Beaumont, a coastal city near the Louisiana border. Each of these cities offers a unique blend of affordability and livability, making them perfect spots for your first home. Stay tuned as we dive into the details of each city's affordability and livability. First up, we have Killeen, a city located just south of Fort Cavazos. This city, nestled in the heart of Bell County, Texas, is a haven for those seeking affordability without sacrificing quality of life. The average home value here is around $223,000, making it a highly affordable option for those venturing into homeownership for the first time. But affordability isn't just about housing. The overall cost of living in Killeen is attractive too. The city boasts a livability score of 67%, significantly lower than the national average. This means that not only are homes more affordable, but the cost of day-to-day living is also less taxing on your wallet. Let's talk about some of those daily expenses. Groceries, for instance, are generally less expensive than the national average. The same goes for transportation costs. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the city's attractions, getting around Killeen won't break the bank. Now, what about those essential services like healthcare and utilities? Well, in Killeen, these costs remain reasonable, allowing you to stretch your dollar further. This combination of affordable housing, lower living expenses, and a respectable livability score makes Killeen an attractive option for first-time homebuyers. So, if you're a first-time homebuyer seeking affordability, Killeen could be the place for you. It's a city that offers a comfortable lifestyle without the hefty price tag, making it an ideal place to plant your roots and start your homeownership journey. Next on our list is Longview, an East Texas city with a low cost of living. Situated just off the US Highway 80, Longview is a city that's easy on the wallet but rich in amenities. Let's delve a bit into the details to see why this city might just be the perfect fit for your first home. The average home value in Longview is a reasonable $212,697. Yes, you heard it right. While it's certainly not chump change, it's significantly more affordable compared to many other parts of the country. This makes Longview an attractive option for those of you looking to get the most bang for your buck. But it's not just about the cost of housing in Longview. The city also boasts a commendable livability score of 78%. This score takes into account factors such as crime rates, education, employment opportunities, and amenities, making Longview a city that offers more than just an affordable roof over your head. And let's not forget about transportation. In Longview, getting around won't break the bank. The city's transportation costs are only 79.7% of the national average. So not only can you afford a home in Longview, but you can also comfortably commute without straining your budget. Longview is a city worth considering if you're looking for affordability and easy transportation. Moving to the western border of Texas, we find El Paso. This city is one of the largest in Texas, and its charm is as expansive as its square mileage. El Paso stands out for its significantly low cost of living compared to the US average, making it a top choice for those looking to stretch their dollars. Now let's talk numbers. The average home value in El Paso is around $206,562. Yes, you heard that right. With such affordable housing, it's no wonder that El Paso attracts first-time homebuyers looking to plant roots without breaking the bank. But affordability isn't the only thing El Paso has to offer. With a livability score of 74%, this city isn't just budget-friendly, it's also a great place to live. El Paso boasts a vibrant lifestyle filled with rich culture, fantastic food, and friendly faces. So, if you're hunting for a city that offers affordability without compromising on the quality of life, El Paso might just be your dream destination. Imagine owning a home in a city where the sun shines over 300 days a year, where the food scene is booming, and where the cost of living doesn't keep you up at night. El Paso offers a vibrant lifestyle that's easy on the wallet. So why not consider this gem on Texas's western border for your next big move? Located midway between Dallas and Austin is the beautiful city of Waco. Known for its charm and captivating attractions like Magnolia Market and the Cameron Park Zoo, Waco is more than just a pit stop on your journey. It's a destination in its own right, offering a blend of urban amenities and small-town charm. Let's talk numbers for a moment. With an average home value of around $218,000, Waco presents an attractive proposition for first-time buyers. And it's not just about the cost of buying a home, but also about maintaining your lifestyle once you've moved in. In Waco, you'll find that your dollar stretches further than in many other cities. Groceries, utilities, and transportation costs all fall under the national average. This means you can enjoy the city's attractions, savor local cuisine, and explore the surrounding areas without putting a strain on your wallet. But affordability is not the only factor that makes Waco an ideal choice for home buyers. The city also boasts a vibrant community, a rich cultural scene, and a variety of recreational activities that cater to all ages and interests. So, if you're looking for a place where you can find a balance between work and play, where you can enjoy the perks of city life without the hefty price tag, then Waco might just be the city for you. Waco is an ideal choice for first-time buyers seeking affordability and attractions. Our final two cities are Laredo along the Rio Grande and Beaumont near the Louisiana border. Let's start our journey in Laredo, a city that provides not only affordable housing but also an opportunity to experience Mexican culture up close. The average home value in Laredo is a reasonable $197,984. This makes it a great place to invest in your first home without breaking the bank. But Laredo isn't just about affordable housing. The city's livability score is 72% of the national average, which speaks volumes about the quality of life you can expect to enjoy here. And when it comes to the cost of living, groceries and healthcare costs are quite reasonable, which means you can settle in comfortably without worrying about your budget. Now let's move over to Beaumont, a charming coastal city sitting near the Louisiana border. Beaumont stands out for its incredibly low home prices. In fact, the average home value here is just $142,702, the lowest on our list. This makes Beaumont an incredibly appealing choice for first-time homebuyers looking to make a smart investment. Beaumont also boasts a livability score of 63%, reflecting the city's commitment to providing a high quality of life to its residents. And if you're concerned about transportation costs, you'll be pleased to know they're only 83.2% of the national average. That means getting around won't put a dent in your wallet. Laredo and Beaumont offer affordable lifestyles and unique cultural experiences. So, if you're on the hunt for your first home and want to make a smart, budget-friendly choice, these two Texas cities should definitely be on your list. We've explored 6 great cities in Texas that offer affordability and livability for first-time homebuyers. From Killeen's military charm to Longview's cost-effective transport, El Paso's vibrant lifestyle to Waco's attractions, Laredo's cultural richness, and Beaumont's idyllic coastal life. Each city presents a unique blend of affordability, lifestyle, and charm. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And remember to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video every week. Thanks for watching.